This is how you can install the virtual machine on your computer. First, search VirtualBox. That's one of the most popular virtual machine software. Then it's made by Oracle. Then download it here. I already downloaded it and installed it, so I'm not gonna do it again. But you can just download it and install it by clicking next, next, next. And there's also Linux version, Mac OS version. And what's virtual machine is uh, we faking another computer. So we already have a computer, right? And we fake another computer inside our computer. So we install another operating system. In this case, I'm installing Windows 7 in virtual machine. So in this case, virtual in this case Windows 7 will think it's running on a computer, but actually it's a fake computer that is created by me. So uh, we also need to download the ISO file. So I recommend downloading 64-bit version. After we download everything and install the VirtualBox, we just need to open the VirtualBox and press new. So we just name it anything. I'm gonna name it Windows 7 and look for the ISO file that's already installed, and everything is good. Here I recommend you to set a new username and new password and never forget it. Just set something very simple. That's something you don't forget, because it's very easy to forget this credentials, because we only gonna use it once or twice. So after a while, it's very easy to forget it. In hardware section, we gonna give it enough RAM and processor cores. My device is 16 gigabyte. My computer has 16 gigabyte of RAM. So it depends on what you're gonna do with the virtual machine. In my case, I'm just gonna show it to you how you can install it. If you wanna run something very heavy, like Photoshop, you can give it more RAM. Um, but I recommend give the range within the green area, because we are splitting our computer resource into two computers, one fake, one our own computer. So if we give too much resource to fake computer, our own computer will be very slow. But if we give it give very little to the fake computer, it's gonna run very slowly. So in my case, I'm gonna give it 6 gigabyte, and four of my CPU cores. I have 8 CPU cores. And hard disk, and this is very important. I'm assuming Windows 7 takes 50 gigabyte, and if I want to install a large software like maybe like Photoshop or AutoCAD, I give extra space, and always give more than what you need. Maybe if you need 100 gigabyte, I give like 120. So in my case, I just give around this. So we just press finish, and sometimes we may get this error message. That means we need to restart our computer. Now I'm doing that. After we restart our computer, so we can just open the VirtualBox and start it. Then it's gonna run. Yes, it's running. Now it's starting to bootloader. So basically it's successful now. So the rest is gonna be same as installing operating system.